We wanted to see what happens to our almonds after the harvest, so after getting them loaded into the truck, we followed them down to the huller. Here, the load of almonds first is weighed when it arrives at the huller. Then the load is dumped from the trailer to a bin below ground. The almonds ride a series of conveyors with sets of screens that sort out twigs, stones, and other debris. The nuts go through these cracking units, which separate the hull from the nut. The shell is then cracked, and the meat of the nut is then separated from the shell. The nuts are shaken as they proceed down these conveyors, as there are screens below them that help remove bits of debris and shell and hull as it processes through. And now we have our almonds ready for processing and packaging and going on to their next step. So, at the end of all this processing, we have three products. Here are the shells, ready to be shipped to buyers. Almond hulls and shells have many commercial uses. Here are the hulls, which are about 2/3 of the entire nut. They're pressed for almond oil, fed to cattle or hogs, used as animal bedding for horses, cattle, or chicken, or as a fuel in a biomass plant. The almond nut meat is stored in large bins to be processed even further and put into many products for human consumption. It's a wonderfully delicious and highly profitable crop that is becoming the most valuable nut in the world.